Hi, welcome back to Salt and Light. Today I am going to show you how to make some juicy kababs. Kababs is very simple, but I'm going to show you a special mix. I just wanted you to have a look at my lady's finger, plant, beans. Okay, let's go into the video now. Okay, here's the chicken. 1 kilo of chicken soaked with buttermilk for about 2 hours, or even 1 hour is fine. And now what we are going to do is 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons corn flour, and the masala, which has 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 5 teaspoons of jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt for 1 kg of kababs. And then one special ingredients, which is papaya powder. So this will tenderize the meat and make it juicy. So I just put 2 table teaspoons. And I will add some color. I added yellow color. If you want, you can make it red or even orange color. So now let's drop in the chicken in. Give it a small mix here. With the buttermilk, you put the same buttermilk in the chicken. It's mixed well. Now you let this marinate for around 5 hours. Now I'm showing you how to fry the kababs. Before dropping in the kebab, you just drop some curry leaves. So you'll get a curry leaf flavor in the oil. And don't fry the kebabs too much. Since we added papaya powder and buttermilk, it will be very tender. Can you see? It still looks just golden brown. It is not deep fried too much or black. So it will be really juicy. You see? It's soft and this will be very juicy. So you better try this recipe and you see the difference in the regular kebab what you make and this.